Solid primitives Wedge. Before creating wedge, I just make a box for reference, but to create wedge no need this box. I just make this box for better explanation. I just go to wedge and I click the first point and the next point and the other corner. Now the base is ready. If you given the height, depends on the height, you can see a wedge is ready. This shape is wedge. Select this shape and you can use move command and all. Go to realistic. You can see these shapes called wedge. I just go to wedge again, click the first point. You can make length or cube option also, or you can use at the rate 50 units length, comma 25 units width, comma 30 units height. The wedge is ready. Length, width and height. Length is x direction, width is y direction and height is z direction. Again I go to wedge. You can select the first corner point and here it is length. If you select this length option and specify the length, I just make it 100 and 100 length is ready. Now you can specify the width, make it 75 width, the width also ready. If you specify the height, I just make it 50, the height also ready. So this is the way you can create wedge, and I just go to again wedge and I click the first point. Here we have cube option. If you select this cube and if you given the one side, other side automatically will create. I just make it 50, enter. Other all the side, this side also 50, this side also 50. X, Y and Z, all direction we will get it 50 dimension and the wedge is ready.